Alright, so test tayo ng Tiger 800. So hey guys, this is Full Time Monovlog, and today nagte-test drive tayo ng Triumph Tiger 800 Sports from Triumph PGC. So shout out sa Triumph PGC and thank you for the opportunity to test ride this bike. Now if you're a rider na priority yung comfortability, I would suggest okay to sa mga biyahe mo, lalo na at malayuan, dahil itong bike na to ay really made for sport touring. So meron kang power dahil sa it's a 800 cc bike. So feel mo rin na compact yung bike at agile, no? So nararamdaman ko na madali itong isingit at responsive yung bike. So from the dashboard makikita mo na meron siyang speedometer, of course, and also yung kanyang RPM is meron dyan. Also gear indicator nandyan din, so hindi ka na mahihirapan kung malaman kung nasaan ka na, no, na gear. No, yung kanyang stock exhaust sports narinig niyo yun? Talagang inilagay din ni Triumph yung sportiness dito sa bike na to. Medyo marami na lang ding na-experience tong bike na to kasi yung kanyang mga levers is medyo naubos na. Putol na yung mga dulo ng levers nito. Well anyway, since it's a test unit, iba rin yung power dito guys. Hindi ko lang hinahataw kasi malaglag yung camera natin. But this is the second time na na-test ride ko tong bike na to, and I'm pretty sure yung power nito is talagang matutuwa kayo pag tinry nyo. At meron itong quick shifter guys, up and down, meron itong quick shifter. So scroll natin yung mga functions nya, no? Meron siyang navigate Triumph app. So ito siguro yung kanilang map or navigations. Yan, i-bluetooth mo yung phone mo dyan. Intercom, mukhang pwede mong i-connect ang intercom mo dito. Makikita mo din dito yung mga trip ng biniyahe mo. So you could monitor your trip 1. Pwede ka mag-set dyan. Also your fuel status, yan meron. Then yung temperature gauge, yan makikita mo dyan sa menu nya. So of course the date and time meron. Of course riding mode, may sports, may rain, may road. So ngayon nasa sports siya. If you're looking for a sportier motorcycle na hindi ka magrereklamo na mangalay ang likod mo, ito yon guys, ito. At madali lang hanapin yung neutral nya. I'm confident to say na kapag maghahanap ka ng neutral is madali lang siya. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang bike na napaka-sensitive or hindi kumakagat basta-basta. You know, Triumph is really smooth in shifting. Ayun ang napansin ko. Kaya nagustuhan ko ang Triumph Ito ay all-rounder bike. Mapa-sporty, mapa-long ride, or even minor trail, yung mga hindi ganun ka-technical, just a rough road or dirt trail, dirt road, pwede dito. I-test ride mo to para masubukan mo kung paano ba at kung swak pa talaga sa driving style mo, para mabili mo na to because this is a really a good bike.